So in this video, we're going to see how we can utilize Hadoop functionalities on a given data set and how we can do the query analysis using Hive. So getting into this, the dataset I'm going to choose for this analysis is selected from the data.government website. This is the electric vehicle population data, which shows the data set of different electric vehicles that are registered in the Washington State Department. So this involves using GitHub, uh, a virtual machine server, and cloud, and Hadoop functionality, Hadoop ecosystem. Yeah. So let's get into this. I'm gonna go to my, yeah, this is the electric vehicle population data, and I'm going to add this to my GitHub repo, and which is in my current repo. So I'm going to start a git bash terminal here. Okay, let me do a pull. So my branch is up to date. Yeah, it's up to date. So let's add this file. I'm staging this file, and now I'm gonna commit it. Adding vehicle data. Yes, committing this file. Yeah, it's committed. Next, push it to the my GitHub. Yeah, looks like it's done. Now let's go to my GitHub. Yeah, this is my GitHub. So I'm doing a refresh, and you can see the file here, electric vehicle population data.csv file. Okay, now I'm using a Cyber Florida virtual machine here for this one. So I'm going to start a new terminal, and yeah, mm, let me do, yeah, this is a shortcut for my workspace actually. So I'm just gonna show you real quick. This I'm gonna do. Let me do a listing of list LA, which gives me the list. Yeah, okay. Let's go into the workspace. I'm gonna go to the student folder. Student 26. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna go to the workspace. Uh, Sorry, I think it's. Yep. Let me do a listing. Yes. Let me go to the student folder. Yeah. I'm gonna do git pull here to keep my branch up to date. Sorry. Git region. Yeah, looks like we have the file electric vehicle population.data.csv. Yeah. Okay. Let me do an ls here. Yeah, you can see we have the file electric vehicle population data.csv. Let me clear the string for you here. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this folder, home folder. This is my workspace folder, and this is the student 26 electric vehicle. This is the file location. Let's keep it there. Now what I want to do is let's come back to the previous folder. Okay. I have this BD24 student folder which supports different functionalities. Let us check through that. And yeah, let me go to a Docker folder in which I have the YAML file to start my Cloudera. Yeah, let me go to the Cloudera. Let me do this once. Yeah, you can see I have a Docker Composer YAML file. I'm going to run it. So for running this, I'm just going to go Docker Compose up. I'm not running in the detached mode, so I'm just running it Docker Compose up. Okay. Now you can see the Cloudera, my container is start running. Now what I want to do is I'm going to start a new terminal. This is a new terminal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a terminal inside the Cloudera server. For this, the command will be docker execute interactive terminal. And what I'm going to do is this is the container name, Cloudera bin bash. Yeah, this gives me the root access for this. I'm going to do lsla. Now you can see all the components here, which are enlisted in this. Now, what I'm going to do is to the home. Yeah. Next, I'm gonna go to the. Let me do the listing. Here, Cloudera. Let me go to the Cloudera. Yeah, going into the Cloudera. Let me do an ls here. Yeah, you can see my server here, dev1, which is my VM, which I'm working in. So what's here is let me go to the my VM. Okay, let me do a listing. Listing. Yeah, now you can see there is no file. So what I'm going to now do is the file which I have imported from my GitHub into this, the electric vehicle population data, I'm going to copy this into a shared storage, which is here, Docker. I have this Cloudera. This is the shared storage between my dev1 server and this Cloudera container. So I can import this from my dev1 server to this. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is ls now you can see the file is here. We have imported in the dev environment, but still this is not in the HDFS, the Hadoop distributed file system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to HDF, this is the HDFS, DFS. I'm going to create a directory in the user Cloudera week 8. Yeah, my bad. This is we have created a directory and the Cloudera folder week 8. Yeah, yeah, HDFS, DFS. I'm going to copy this. The command for this is copy from local. It's going to be here. Copy from local source folder. That's going to be this one. Wait, since we're in del one, I'm going to just type the CSV file. Yeah, that's going to be CSV file, and my destination folder is going to be week. Sorry, week 8. Yeah, that should do. Okay, now let me check. Now let me check whether I have created this file or not. DFS, ls, and this. Yeah. See, we have this all these supergroups in the distributed. This is Hadoop distributed file systems files. So what you're gonna do is cd user. Let's go into the cd user Cloudera. Let me do a listing. HDFS, DFS, ls, user Cloudera. This is week 8. Here, keep on forgetting this. This is see, we have the file here, electric vehicle population data.csv. Yeah. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to open my browser. In my Docker configuration, I have this connected to the local port, localhost 88888. So which opens my Hive editor. Yeah, this is my Hive one. And going into the Metastore tables. Yeah, here I can upload my file here. Yeah, I'm going to give it, let's say, vehicle data. Yeah, vehicle data. Vehicle data. Yes. electric vehicle data. Description, different type of mm, electric vehicles in the Washington state. Yeah, good file. I'm going to vacate my CSV file. Yeah, going to the next. You can see here, this is the CSV file which is we have opened, and going to the next, and you can see here the each column types it's automatically detects it. String, VN number, string, we had a string, city string, yeah, name, small integer, Tesla, string, big integer. Yep. Let me change this into small integer, maybe. Yeah, that will do. That should do the trick for this. Big integer is gonna take the more data for amount of storage. So actually, the dataset is very large for me to load into my GitHub, so I have deleted some columns in this. So I think it's still showing this. So let me just keep them as dummy, some dummy values. Yeah, let me just give it dummy one, dummy two, dummy three, dummy. Yeah, this won't hurt our data, so I just kept it some dummy column names. Okay, then going into the create table. Yeah, you can see this has created a table. Now I'm going to open a query editor, a Hive query editor. Yeah, so you can see the table here, which is this one, vehicle data, content, city string, everything. Okay. So let me do a small simple queries for this. Let us do, since it has, yeah, vehicles of different make, yeah, make, what shall we do, having electric range greater than 150. Yeah, greater than 150. A select statement, select its make. Okay, let's do average. Yeah, its name is electric range. Yeah, range from the vehicle data. Yeah, vehicle data. Yep. Let's group it by make, since it's average where having average electric range. Let's do 150. Let's order it in descending order. Change descending order. Yeah, descending order. It's fine. Okay, let me run this query. Vehicle data execute. Okay, so let me add alias in here. So if my okay, good to go. It's executed successfully. Let's wait for the result, maybe sometime. We have one which has an average greater than 150. That is Jaguar. Let me write another simple query, which is yeah, number of Teslas in Seattle. Yeah, Seattle City. So let me write count. Okay, I'm gonna alias it as number number Teslas. From better. Okay, from vehicle data where make is Tesla. Okay, Tesla, and let's keep the city as Seattle. Yeah, Seattle, smart Seattle. Okay, then that looks good. Yeah, let's execute it. Okay, it will just show the last query, so I should. Mm, It's taking some time because the data is huge in this data set. Yeah, there we go. I comment this. We'll delete this query. I'll delete this query. Maybe. Yeah. Mm, There we go. Number of Teslas in Seattle, 7,750. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.